C-A-D, cat. This is a cutie cat. D-O-G, dog. This is a running dog. H-E-N, hen. This is a hen. C-O-W, cow. Look at this white and black beautiful cow. B-E-E, bee. This is bee. A-N-D, ant. Look at the ant. B-A-T, bat. This is bat. R-A-T, rat. Look at the cute rat. F-O-X, fox. This is fox. O-W-L, owl. This is owl. P-O-T, pot. Look at the pot. P-E-N, pen. This is pen. T-E-A, tea. This is tea. Someone is pouring the tea. C-U-P, cup. This is cup. There are so many cups. C-A-P, cap. Pink, yellow, and white cup. T-I-N, tin. This is tin. J-A-R, jar. Look at the jar. C-A-R, car. This is white car. O-N-E, one. This is letter 1. T-W-O, two. This is 2. S-I-X, 6. Look at the 6. T-E-N, 10. Can you see the 10? S-K-Y, sky. Look at this beautiful blue sky. S-U-N, sun. This is sun. A-I-R, air. Can you see the air? S-E-A-C. This is a beautiful sea. Can you see the sea? E-Y-E-I. This is blinking eye. E-A-R, air. Can you see the moving air? B-U-S, bus. This is yellow bus. V-A-N, van. Can you see the blue ice cream van? N-U-T, nut. This is nut, a walnut. J-A-M, jam. Look at this beautiful jam. Looks so yummy. P-I-E, pie. This is yummy pie. B-O-X, box. Look at the box. B-A-T, bat. This is a cricket bat. B-E-D, bed. This is a sleeping bed. C-O-T, cot. Can you see the cot? This is a baby's cot. M-A-T, mat. This is a yoga mat. M-U-D, mud. Look at the mud. R-O-W, row. Can you see the ducks in the row? T-O-Y, toy. Can you see the toy? E-G-G, egg. Look at the delicious egg. P-A-N, pan. This is a frying pan. H-A-T, hat. This is a colorful hat. H-U-T, heart. This is a heart. F-A-N, fan. This is a moving fan. B-A-G, bag. This is a bag. G-A-R, jar. Can you see the jar? S-I-T, sit. Baby is sitting. H-O-T, hot. Can you see the hot boiling water? Hot. B-O-Y, boy. He is a boy. For more educational and interesting videos, subscribe to Polite Word for Kids. Have a good day. Bye-bye.